Hi, my name is Blaze Stevenson. I'm a benefit consultant at Sanus Benefits. Just wanted to bring you a quick video on level self-funding plan options and how they could be beneficial for you and your employees. I've seen a lot of groups lately that haven't looked at these options, and it's only hurting their pocketbook really. So I just wanted to again explain everything with a high-level overview. So hopefully this year you can go ahead and get a quote from one of these options and not only save your company money but also your employees. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at any time. You can call me, email me, text me. It doesn't matter to me. As long as you reach out to me, I'll be happy to be there for you.
Level self-funded health plans, and why this option may be the best option for your company. So before we go over level self-funded health plans, we first need to understand what the different health plan funding options are. So there are fully insured health plans, there are level self-funded health plans, and there are fully self-funded health plans. With fully insured options, small groups are quoted based off of census information, which includes date of birth, name, gender, coverage tier, and residential zip code. There is no additional underwriting in addition to the census that is required for a quote on a small group for fully insured options, which is generally why you find that these options are extremely high as far as pricing for small groups. For large groups, on the other hand, groups are able to receive underwritten quotes for fully insured options via their claims information or health questionnaires. So there's not as much of a benefit for large groups to go level self-funded comparatively to fully insured as there is for small groups. But one nuance remains the same for fully insured options, whether you're a small group or a large group, and that is the fact that all premium that is paid to the insurance carrier stays with the insurance carrier. There is no possibility of a refund at all. So even if you have a low amount of claims throughout the year, it does not matter. You will not receive any type of refund. Level self-funded options. So these options enable carriers to underwrite each and every group they quote, which includes small groups. And that leads to far more competitive rates, especially for those small groups that aren't able to receive underwritten quotes from fully insured options. So how it works is an actuary reviews your claims information from the prior policy years or questionnaires and then estimates the amount of claims that you will have over the next coverage year. They then charge a level premium, just like a fully insured option, for coverage. The premium will remain the same throughout the coverage year, even if you have 5 employees that come onto the plan, 10 employees that drop off, or if you have $5 million in claims, it does not matter. Your premium will remain the same. All the company is required to pay is the premium month to month. At the end of the year, there's not going to be an additional fee or anything of that nature. In fact, if you have a great coverage year, or great claims year, sorry, misspoke, you are in line to receive a partial or full refund of the unused premium dollars in your claims account. And that varies based off of carrier or plans. So carriers can make it to where there's a partial refund or a full refund. Generally, if you have a full refund, your rates will go up a little bit more, but I would talk with your broker on each individual quote to see what type of refund you would be receiving if you went forward with that option and you had a surplus in your claims account at the end of the year. How are level self-funded plans set up? Your premium that you pay into a level self-funded plan goes into one of 3 categories: plan administration, stop-loss insurance, or claims account, and/or your claims account. Plan administration is exactly what it sounds like. It's the cost to administer your plan month to month, pay claims out month to month, network rental fee, your broker fee, things of that nature. Stop-loss insurance pays for stop-loss coverage, which helps mitigate the risk of having a high claim year for the employer, or have a high claimant affect your claims account for the employer. So let's say you have one individual that had a multi-million-dollar claim. Well, that multi-million-dollar claim alone would wipe out your claims account if it was not for stop-loss insurance. So stop-loss insurance comes in after $20,000 to $30,000 of the claim has been paid out of that multi-million-dollar claim, and they take up the rest of the cost without affecting your claims account. And your claims account is the premium that you paid in month to month that is used to actually fund the claims as they come in. Again, if there's unused funds in this claims account at the end of the year, you are eligible for a refund with the level self-funded option. Whether that's a partial or full refund depends on your plan option. Do level self-funded plans require additional maintenance or oversight? Yes, while there are a few hurdles comparatively to fully insured options, the benefits, especially for larger or smaller employers in having low premium, far outweigh the minor legwork needed to maintain your level self-funded plan. So here are a couple of the hurdles. So for example, generally small groups aren't required to file 1095B forms or aren't required to do any 1094, 1095 reporting. But on level self-funded options, they are required to submit a 1095B on each enrolled individual on the health plan. Also, employers under this option are required to pay PCORI fees, which in 2020 was $2.54 per covered individual on the plan for the year. So if you had 20 individuals for the whole plan year of 2020, you pay 20 times $2.54. And that would be your PCORI fee. And of course, if you have a broker with experience, they can walk you through each of these processes or these hurdles with ease. So just get with your broker, see if they have any tools or partners that can help ease the administration of having a level self-funded plan on you. And again, these issues or these hurdles aren't, big at all. They're actually very easy to complete, so these are just minor. Benefits of level self-funded plan options. As I mentioned earlier, level self-funded plans offer substantially lower premium month to month, especially for smaller employers. I've seen groups save $200 on their employee-only rate. I've seen groups save $300 to $400 on their employee-only rate. So that is a huge benefit these level self-funded options bring, especially to those small groups. Another benefit is the ability to receive a partial or full refund on your unused claims dollars. Again, fully insured options do not offer this at all, so this is another additional benefit to level self-funded options. So which carriers offer level self-funded options? Aetna has a level self-funded health plan. United Healthcare has All Savers, which is what they call their level self-funded health plan. Blue Cross Blue Shield has Blue Balance. Humana has level self-funded health plans. They actually recently partnered with Kelsey-Seybold Clinic here in the Houston area for a level self-funded option. National General has level self-funded health plans, and the Houston Contractors Association is built based off of level self-funding. There is an additional benefit with the Houston Contractors Association in the fact that you do receive additional discounts just because we're going to the market as a whole rather than a bunch of individual entities, so we get group pricing and we have a little bit more leverage over the carriers to offer more favorable pricing. If you have any questions, concerns, or if you want to get quoted on a level self-funded health plan option, feel free to reach out to Sanus Benefits at any time. We'd be happy to help you out. One other thing I'd like to mention is a lot of groups have this idea that they're stuck into a contract with carriers for the rest of the year after they renew. That is not the case. You can change your health plan option month to month and it'll be perfectly okay. So feel free to reach out and quote at any time. I'd be happy to run the numbers for you and see if we can start saving not only your company money but also your employees. Have a good day. Thank you.